Meaning of extricate.
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 Extricate. The word extricate means to free or disentangle someone or something from a difficult or complex situation. When someone extricates themselves from a situation, they are able to remove themselves from it without harm or danger. The result of extricating oneself or someone else from a difficult situation is a feeling of relief and freedom from stress or danger. This can lead to a sense of empowerment and confidence, as well as the ability to move forward and make progress without being held back by past difficulties.